Hey guys, today we are going to discuss about the custom loader, or how can we make a custom loader using an image. This is an image view, and we want to rotate this image so that it looks like a loading. There are also two buttons, a start button and a stop button. When start button is clicked, the image view is rotating like as a loader. When stop button is clicked, our loading will be stopped. So let's see how can we do this code. This is our view controller class, and this is image view outlet, and there are also two action. One is start rotate action and another is stop rotate. When start button is clicked, our image will be rotated like as a loader. So let rotation, see a basic animation, transformation rotation. Okay, font value 0, to value CG float I into 2. Rotation, now we need to assign the duration. Duration will be 3 seconds. Rotation, repeat count will be infinity. Now we need to add this rotation object in the loading image view layer. Okay, loading image view layer, add rotation, for key will be string rotate. Okay, now let's run this project and see the result. Okay, it's running. Start. It's rotating like as a loader. Okay, it stopped. Now we apply the stop action. Loading view layer, remove. Our animation name is rotate. Now again run the project. Start. Okay, it's work. Stopped. Start. Stopped. Okay, thank you.